Alright, nice little quick one, mainly because I'm doing some work on the Fordson Major fuel tap. I've got a little leak out past here. You can get new ones on eBay, fairly cheap, but they don't look as nice. These ones have got the nice text on them. Now, they do come with a little wire mesh screen there. This one is obviously corroded and disappeared. That's where the fuel comes in, obviously a bit higher than the bottom of the tank to limit the amount of debris that goes in. That's your fuel line entry there. So to pop this out, there's a little O-ring in there. Very simple little catch there. That little nut there just stops things, or stops this winding all the way out. So very simple. Undo that. And you make sure you wind it all the way out. Okay, a bit loose there. And you can see there, little O-ring. Pop that out, whack it back in, and you stop that fuel leaking out of there. While you got it off, give it a good scrub, good clean, blow it out. Not huge holes there, don't know if I'll show it. I gave that a little quick wire brush while I had it out before. Place the O-ring, back in it goes, and you're in business. Hopefully there'll be no more diesel leaking out this little shaft here. Alright, nice quick one, very simple, very common sense, but always handy to know the ins and outs of something on a Fordson Major. Till the next one.